while since I posted. I know I've been up to here stressed. It's been the old house, like we said, it was a house from hell, and a lot had to do with just dealing with permits, city, getting things done. We're on an island. There was a shortage of insulation, big boom and steel, and anyways, I am so happy. We finally got a push now, and all the worrying I did about running out of money, labor, everything else looks like we're going to be okay. And this is the thing when you do a house like this. This is hard, and you're doing all the hard work. Hey Prince, hurry up, please. Okay, and
show us what it looks like.
And I got Prince back in there, and we're going at our. We got the walls. All jokes aside, I got the walls at R40. Here R40. There's no such thing as a passive house. And I've been hearing about it, oh, being passive. You cannot have a passive house. There's impossible. And I say that we technically have beyond a passive house. Passive house, we're beyond. But that's not true. There's always going to be heat loss. And no matter how good you are, there's going to be problems.
Let's check out what Carter's doing. Let's check out what Carter's doing.
Yeah.
What are you up to, Carter?
Make bread, bud. Make bread.
Making bread?
Make a bit of bread for the weekend, Bit of molasses bread.
Think we got enough insulation here, Carter? Think we got enough, or we should go back for more?
Well, you're a check.
We might fill up the neighbor's house.
Wait. Okay. So, I got it hooked up. How did I end up in the hole here? Hooking up the municipal pipe. Man, oh man, what a mess. We had the plumbing permit, but along the way, I did all this. I had this hooked up, and I was so proud of myself. I got all this ready, so it would just be a quick connect. But along the way, nobody told me, and St. John's the only city that we had to replace from here up to the streets, that all this pipe is our responsibility. Now, there's one catch. December 1st, you can't do any municipal work, but the house was paying for all this water all that time. And you might say, well, that's not so bad. It was $15,000 to $20,000. Only a couple of contractors even want to touch it downtown. So here I am, and I kind of jerry-rigged this because this shutoff was disconnected for about 8 years. So I didn't know if it was seized up, and we didn't have water for this. The house would sit in limbo for 6-8 months. So it was. It was probably the biggest stress I had. And at the same time, I'm trying to clear engineering, because engineering in this is totally out of my control. And engineering passed. He finally did, maybe a little later than what I would have liked. And of course, electrical. Those are three things I have zero control over. And, and a lot of engineers didn't even want to touch this house, what we did and everything else. So it's nighttime. And guess what? I am so happy. So I'm just going here. I get the quick connect. I'm not allowed. Okay, if anybody's seen the video, no, this isn't the way to do municipal. Here they would want to quick connect. I put the shutoff there to test this line and let it run for a bit to make sure we've been gone for a few hours, make sure there's no water leaking. And the city guys, oh man, they were so good for us to get everything going. We can't really mouth off with them. So it's going there. I don't want to go too much in the grass. And I'm going to give it a little shot. And stop. I could tell when stop. So that's it. they wouldn't want this, the solder here, and this in there over time. It's going to leak, but we got to replace this with 3/4 come spring and cough up the 15 to 20,000. I'm hoping to get it cheaper, but I mean, it was a kick in the teeth because we had X amount of dollars to close this house. We were okay, and then like the other thing, you know, you're helping your son, not taking a real salary, and doing it, and then finding out that, you know, because this is about the deepest rental I have done in St. John's, but in this area, nobody fixes these houses. You know, it's kind of like an unwritten rule, just stay in until they rot, you know, until it leaks. So, you know, so I'm gonna do this. I'm not giving you any how-to, and I'm just showing this that when you do these rentals, you find after this we're clear. We can get an occupancy permit. Then I'll show you inside here. Yes. That's it right there. That's the valve. We can come in there. Shut off. I got 2 of them. Right there. And that's it. No leaks. And that was a bit of drama because I did the extension. And I'm going right here now. And he has a pressure sensor right here. He has it, so I don't know what he's got it set on. It's got it set on, I think, factory setting. So everything's good. And once I can put my hand down. But when it leaks, you can hear it. And I think Christine's got better ears than me. But bone dry. And we'll hook up the drain. Okay, Christine, now I'm going to go with the drain. And now I'm going to go with the drain. You get a rag. And one thing, the city guys had a laugh. I'm going to show you this. I pride myself on planning. Like, you know, it's in my first rodeo. And we set that in there beforehand. Here we go. You see, I'm gonna get this. This is too cool. A 1/4 inch down from there. All right. I'm kind of home free now. That was the worst part. It's a little tricky putting one of these stupid things in. Would it blow open? No way in hell. Once you put dirt on this, but I'm going to wrap this up. All right, well, I did it. The city helped me, gave me that sewer pipe with that curve. It worked perfect. So I got the firm coat. I'm wrapping this up.
Although some rain mixing you.
It's a 1/2 inch, could be cold. Well, it doesn't, you know, once it goes down there, it goes a lot deeper. So I'm hoping it's going to be okay. We're going to fill up the dirt, and our dirt is like, well, my partner's here to help me, and she said it's not going to take too long, but I didn't have the heart to tell her this stuff's like quicksand.
No, it's just
all right.
I was here to say,
Here you go. We did it. We end up doing the ceiling almost 70, pretty damn close. You could fluctuate up or down a bit, but it ended up being continuous on the ceiling. We ended up getting over the wood, everything else. So I'm very, very happy. Prince really, I mean, that was hard because look at the roof we have. We have a low sloped roof. So you can't go walking around. Now, as always, you're gonna make mistakes. We ended up going to 140 bags, but we already had almost half the building insulated, or maybe a healthy, well over a third. And even with the calculation, they totally screwed up at our one supplier. They were like less than half. I was out about 30 bags. So what I'm trying to say is, you have one shot to do this. Because when I close this up, and and all I'm doing with this is I'm not going to shake. I'm just taking rake, and look at this. Look how nice this is. Level that, and then I'm going to put some bad insulation in there, and just put a layer right across it. I had my drama. Prince hasn't quit yet, and I haven't fired him, so I guess we're stuck with each other. So. And he wants to see it to the end. And we both, compared to last year, this is like Shangri-La.
Oh, honestly.
But we love the loft. Oh, it's so nice. Like, it's a winter day, and even though you get a little bit of sun, it just feels so bright here. So please subscribe. I haven't gone it for a couple of months. I was under enormous stress with this house, trying to get the finances going, everything else, and timelines. Everything was just taking longer, and it's only really a couple of us doing it. Me and Prince did most of this. Prince did, I think I did 60-40.
You did 60% of the worrying, I did 60% of the work.
But Prince did a lot. I first time, I think he's learned a lot.
100%.
Compliment. And, the big thing is if you're starting out in this job, you got to have patience. It's dirty, it's messy, and stick with it. There's a bright future. Like Prince getting in here, and he's seeing, well, you know what? Maybe I can make a whole lot of money doing this. I did this. I don't want to take a house. I want to, So what I'm trying to say is anybody that's going to do tech engineering or anything like that, get in and learn how to do it and be good. This is enough. Did I go too much? I go over 5 minutes?
4 minutes 14.
How much?
4 minutes 14 seconds.
And I get 20 seconds? Okay. How about Trump? No. No, we're not getting political. Big thing in Canada, I think, I'll just say, we don't have a hate. And so for everybody in the holidays, whatever your religion, whatever it's love, bring it in. But the hate and the vile and the anger, and I'm going to get even with you, please stop. We're all brothers and we're all neighbors on this planet. Merry Christmas. Bye.